Number 5. The Happy Tree.
Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Vivekanand Academy of Human Excellence. My name is Kobalvi and today I come up here with a new story from 2nd Standard English book, and the story name is The Happy Tree. Now you know, in science we learn many things about the environment, that for environment every part is very important. Means when we are talking about animals, about sun, wind, these are the major part of the environment. If we skip any one part of this environment, of this chain, so it will become worse, right? But in this part, the most role is played by tree, because tree is really very important. And in this environment, tree is playing the major role, right? Because tree help us to just keep the air fresh, keep the air clean, and the most important thing for a human being, that is oxygen, that tree is releasing from them, right? And that we are taking. Because of the tree, we can breathe, we can survive. So the tree is playing the main role in our life, and this is also very important part of the environment. So we are going to learn something about tree, that how one small seed change into a big tree. About this thing we are going to learn it here. But before to learn the story, first we will read the story.
Hi kids, this is lesson number 5, The Happy Tree. Munmun, the seed, sleep inside the soil. He opens his eyes, but he cannot see a thing. There is dark, brown mud around. It is cool but hard. He tries to push the mud. It is not easy. Just then, Munmun hears a sound. Pitter patter. He finds that it is raining. He feels the mud has become wet. He tries to push the mud once again. This time it is soft. Soon Munmun is out of the mud. Munmun peeps out of the soil. He sees light around him. He also sees green tree. He is very happy, but he does not know what the green thing are. Munmun looks at the big tree. He does not know what makes seed grow up to become trees. The big tree tells him that seed needs air, water, and heat from the sun to grow. Soon rain falls, the wind blows, and the sun shines. Slowly, Munmun grows up to be a big green gulmohar tree. He is covered with flowers. He looks beautiful. Munmun and the big tree become friends. The big tree tells Munmun many things. He tells Munmun that tree keep the air fresh and clean. He tells Munmun that trees also give food. Their branches are homes for many animals and birds. As time passes, birds build their nest on Munmun's branches. Children play under his shade. Munmun is happy. He has many friends. We are also his friend. So children, let us listen to what Munmun has to tell us.
Now, are you interested and you want to come with me? Let's take one round and see that which things are outside, and because of the tree, how environment looks so beautiful. So, just come with me. Let's see.
Wow, just see this. This is so beautiful. Many flowers are here. You can see this rose plant, it is here. Then this flowers in a purple color. This green leaves with a water drop, it makes it looks very beautiful. And some brown leaves, this also looks very beautiful. We are using these flowers to decorate, or we are using this in bouquet. We are offering that the person who newly come in our house, or for the guest we are using this. When we are offering flowers to someone, they feel very happy. So this is the best thing about the environment.
Now, we are going to watch here the journey of a little seed, that how this little seed it become a big gulmohar tree. So this story starts here with a small seed. You know what is the name of the seed? So first thing is, what is seed, right? This question may be raised in your mind. This word is here on the blackboard with a meaning. S-E-E-D. The pronunciation of this word is seed. What is seed? Portion of a plant which grow afterward. Can you see these pictures of some seeds here? Yeah. Here are 4 seeds. When we put the seed into the soil and when the seed getting everything in a proper amount, it first grows in a plant and that plant grows in a big tree. So this is the journey of one small seed. What happened with this seed? The name of this seed is Munmun. Nice name, na? Yeah, the name of this seed is Munmun. One day what happened? When Munmun, he opened his eyes and when he looked around, what he observed? Where he was? Right? He observed that I am under the soil. Soil means S-O-I-L. Soil, it means a mixture of sand used and support the plant to grow. Without soil, plant can't grow properly. So, if plant want to grow, they need soil. They need support of the soil. Soil, this picture you can see it here on a blackboard. See, this is the picture of soil, and when soil support a plant, then just only plant can grow there, right? So that time when Munmun he opened his eyes, when he looked around, he saw that array, here is no light, just only darkness around me. And what is here around me? What is here? This is brown mud. Soil and mud, this is different, okay? Soil means, you know that soil means what? We have seen the picture on a blackboard. Mud means what? M-U-D, mud. It means a mixture of water and soil. When water mixed with the soil, that time we can see that in form of mud. Okay, so mud, that picture is also available here. You can see on a blackboard that this we call mud and this we call soil. Can you see this difference between soil and mud? Yeah, soil and the dry mud, it is very hard. We cannot break that easily. So what about this Munmun? When Munmun he opens his eyes, he saw that array, here is just only brown mud around me and just only darkness. He wanted to come outside, he wanted to see the light, so he tried to push that thing. But he cannot come out because that mud, it is so hard. He cannot come out of that. He used his full energy, he pushed that with full of energy, but he cannot come out of the soil. After some time, this Munmun, he hears one sound. Which sound he hears here? Just see and listen.
Munmun heard this pitter-patter sound and he finds that it is raining. He feels the mud has become wet.
Yeah, when Munmun hears this pitter-patter sound, she means that Munmun he understood that it started raining, and because of the rain, because of the raindrops, when this mixed with the soil, when this mixed with in that mud, that mud, it became soft. And again this Munmun, he just only tried to push it with a full of force. This time it became soft, and also he used his energy, so he come out of that soil. When he pip out of the soil, pip means P-double-E-P, pip means to make a small noise. He just make a small noise, he just push that soil and he come out from it. When he come out of it, that time he was so happy. He was just so happy because what was there outside? The first thing he noticed that there is a light around him. When he was in a soil, there was just only darkness around him and the brown mud is there. But this time when he come out of that mud, he saw that there is light everywhere and one green thing is there which is tall and strong. But he don't know what is the name of this thing and what we call this thing. Do you know that what is the name of this thing? See this picture here on a blackboard. I don't know what is the name of this thing. Do you know anything about this? Yes, this is tree. And what is the spelling of tree? T-R-E-E, tree. Can you see the color of leaves and which is the color of the tree? Green. This tree, it is in green color. So he just saw that there is one big something in a green color, but he don't know the exact name of that thing. He started to think about it. Arey, what is this? What is in green color? But afterward, he understood about it that this we call tree. Now here, Munmun does not know that this is tree and how one small plant can change into tree. But this tree is very nice. This tree, he started to tell him about trees, that which thing one plant or the seed required to grow in a tree. And he started to tell him that the first most important thing is air, right? The second most important thing that it needs, that is water. And the third one is heat from the sun. We can also see that sunrise, okay, or the sunlight. So if any plant, any seed, if you get these three things in a proper amount, it can grow.
We are repeating here which three things any seed or plant need to grow. The first thing, water, which they are getting from the rain. Otherwise, we are watering the plant to grow. And the second, the most important thing is wind, right? This air also helps the plant to grow properly. Can you see this here? This small plant is moving. This happened because of the air, and this is very essential and the important plant or the part for the plant. Then the third one is sun. This heat of the sun help plant to grow properly. This thing is also very important. If we keep any plant in a dark room and where they are not getting the proper sunlight, they can't grow properly. So it means three things are very important: water, air and sunlight.
When Munmun get these three things, that air, water and sunlight, this small Munmun seed changed into a very beautiful Gulmohar tree. See this picture of the Gulmohar tree here, and this tree means fully covered with the flowers, and it started to look very, very, very beautiful. But these two trees, means that big one and this Gulmohar tree, now became friends. This big tree started to tell him that we are just not giving food to the people. The people, they are taking fruit, they are plucking flowers, they are plucking fruits and they are eating that. This is not just only we are giving them. We are also giving them wood. With that, we are also providing them food. But the most important thing is, see, here around us there is air. We help the air to keep it clean and very nice for them. So this is our main work. With that, also birds, they build their nest. Animals, they live here. And children, they like to play in our shed. Children means if there is just only one kid, we are saying child. If there are many numbers, we are saying it children. So now, this Gulmohar tree means that small Gulmohar said he was just too happy and now he is friend for everyone. What we learn from this story? Tree is actually our friend. Trees are our real best friend. Because best friend means what? The person who is helping us. And tree, they give everything to us. Every part of tree we are using for some purpose. Even the wood we are using as a fuel, we use that to make furniture. Flowers we use to make bouquet, or we use to decorate any room. Fruits that we are using as food, we are eating that. Then the next thing is bird. They use a tree to build their nest on branches. Kids or any traveler, they like to go and sit under a tree because of the shade. So in every way, this tree is helping human being and they are giving everything to human being. And in return, they are not expecting anything from human. Right? This is we call friendship, and it means trees are our real best friend. This we learn in story. So don't cut any tree, and just if you want to take care of your environment, first you take care of the tree. Bye.